just wanted to call because I lost all of our money.
Machete on me?
Okay. Ghost stand no chance. Are these zero sugar? Oh, of course. Yo, what's up guys? It's Cloudy Skies. Today we're in Okefenokee, also known if you're a channel OG, the Joe Rogan Forest. And we're gonna see if we can actually catch some ghosts today. We're gonna spend the night. Hopefully we don't get eaten by ghosts, because that's what ghosts do. They eat people. This is a good sign, right?
Good intro.
The flashlight got sabotaged. Your nose is bleeding.
Yeah, he just started talking. I just see it drip down. I'm like, well, I don't know if this one works, but we'll try it.
All right.
Car's locked, so nobody can leave it down there. No way. What?
Oh. Great. That's cool.
No, 40, 50.
That was a regular dog. I don't know, Mike. Quiet. Oh yeah, is it that one? Supposedly, part of the story here is that there's a little girl out here and she was allegedly chained to this tree here. Looks like people like Did you throw something at me?
No.
Ah! Oh yeah, I see the vision right here.
Yeah, right here. What?
Huh? Wait, you just put
brand new.
like you put the batteries in that like in one of those new batteries?
I watched it fade out. Dude,
I don't have the poles.
Yeah, that's what I figured.
Yeah.
Well, looks like you're bunking with us. This tent's big enough. We'll be good. Pickle flavored Pringles.
Yeah, what's up guys? We survived the night. But you see the orange over there? Yeah, those hunters, we survived. Nothing scary like at all happened last night.
Where's on his phone?
You call DNR on us because you can't hit a shot, then that's on. Alright guys, survived the night at Okefenokee. Nothing really scary happened. We ran into some hunters. You could have got shot. I'm behind a Family Dollar now. My friends dropped me off and I'm just kind of walking. Eventually one of my buddies is gonna pick me up, but you know, maybe I can get hitchhiked somewhere closer to my destination. I peed on that fence actually. Subscribe if you like peeing on fences. I'm just gonna walk and see how far I can get. Well, some nice random guy picked me up in his little Dodge pickup truck. Hopefully I should be meeting up with my friend pretty soon. And then hopefully we'll be going to a hardcore show, guys. Been a little bit. This has been like the weirdest couple of days. I went to like a haunted woods. I hitchhiked and now I'm going to a hardcore concert. But hey man, that's life. Being unemployed is the best job ever. Ladies, the sun's so right. I agree. Gotta move for camera. Yo.
Text you and you'll be like blowing up my phone. I'm like, it's 3 o'clock. Why are you not leaving for work?
Yeah. I get there at 3 o'clock. My shift starts at 3:40.
It's good.
Don't do this. Don't fucking do this.
Whoa, whoa.
Another one. I will stick another thing up here.
Hug. Here we go. Is he homeless?
Inside the car audio. Back circle! Guys, we're only halfway through. I can barely hear, but there are 2 more bands.
Yo, can you help me out with like $50?
Sorry.
He's paying half rent now, so I know. Hey, just want to say, I really don't got anything to say to you, bro. Have you ever wanted a sleep dream powder?
Okay. And then
A cocoa dream powder? Hey guys, look like the music playing. Music playing.
Follow me. Come on, guys, let's go.
So I'm about to blow up this building.